Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redirect Shopify. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to go to our navigation menu or panel. To do so, you will need just to go here in this side menu, and then we will need just to search for the online store. After that, we will need just to find our navigations. So we will find it here in this menu. We can see navigation. After clicking on it, we will find all our menus or all our URLs. So basically, this is for searching, and this is the home, catalog, and contacts. So what we are interested in is the URL redirects. By clicking here, we will find our redirects. So either you can import some redirects that you have, or I'm just going to create a URL. So from here, you will need just to choose the domain or the subdomains that you want to redirect from. So you will need just to have some redirects from, for example, your domain name, and then it will be some slash things, and then you will redirect it to another subdomain. So we can go to the home page or whatever. So I have already created a navigation. So as you can see, let's just go to view URL redirects. It will redirect me from slash testing, and then it will take me to the home. So I'm just going to test it. I'm just going to use testing, and then it should redirect me to home. So basically, we need just to go to online store first. So basically, this redirects concern your store. Now I'm just going to use the testing, and as you can see, it took me to my homepage. So basically, this is how you can use redirects in Shopify. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.